Welcome back to our channel Parts HnC. Today we are going to know about heat exchanger. Let's get started. A heat exchanger is a device that transfers heat from one medium to another without mixing them. In HVAC systems, it plays a crucial role in heating and cooling. It works by using hot gases or refrigerant to warm up the air that circulates through your home. In a gas furnace, the burner ignites the fuel, producing hot combustion gases. These gases pass through the heat exchanger, which heats up the metal walls. As air from your home blows over the exchanger, it absorbs the heat and is then distributed through your vents. The combustion gases are safely vented outside. Heat pumps use heat exchangers too, but they work a bit differently. Instead of burning fuel, a refrigerant absorbs heat from the air or ground and transfers it inside. This process reverses in summer to cool your home. A cracked or faulty heat exchanger can lead to serious problems, including carbon monoxide leaks. Regular maintenance and timely replacement are essential for safety and efficiency. Now you know how heat exchangers keep your home comfortable. Need heat exchanger? Visit PartsHnC.